What is acting? Acting is doing anything in front of the camera. Whatever you do in front of the camera is acting. But what you are told to do by your director, and if you do that, then you are a professional actor. If you want to be an actor, you can act anywhere. But if you want to be a professional actor, you have to act according to the script, according to the director, and according to the time frame, according to the angles, according to the professional setup that is given to you. You cannot act at your whims and fancies. You cannot speak your own dialogues. The dialogues are given by the script writer, the director, who hands it over to you, and you have to prepare accordingly. So that is the difference between acting and professional acting. What is the difference between a person who's new to Mumbai, who comes from say Delhi, and the person who lives in Mumbai? What is the difference between a person who is new to Mumbai and a person who is from Mumbai in terms of language? So it is very important for you would be well equipped if you know the language in Mumbai, which is Mumbaiya, and the difference between Mumbaiya and any other Hindi, mostly as spoken in Delhi. So when a person comes from Delhi to Mumbai, how does he speak? And how does the auto rickshaw fellow or the taxi fellow or any common man on the streets of Mumbai know that you are from Delhi or the person is from Delhi? This is the difference. For example, if a person from Delhi is hailing a rickshaw, the way he'll call a rickshaw, the way he'll speak to the rickshaw wala is like this. भाई साहब यार खार छोड़ दो यार खार छोड़ दो यार, प्लीज़ मना मत करना यार, खार छोड़ दो यार प्लीज़. And how does a Mumbaiite ask the rickshaw wala? खार चलेगा क्या? तो चलना. That's actually the difference. Now, how does a Delhi wala behave in a public place? What he does basically is he wears tight t-shirts. He's very sturdy, strong, very fair, tall, and he's got that raw attitude. He comes to Mumbai and sees crowded places around, a crowded train, a crowded market, and he feels that this is the time to show my body, show my looks, and get noticed. You never know. And still, if you're 6 feet tall or 6.2, and everybody else around you is 5'6", 5'7", then you actually feel really great, in Mumbai. And then what happens is they look around like this. Actually, what happens is nobody is looking at them. They always try to show off. I mean, I'm not no disrespect to these people, but they do tend to show off a lot when they come on the streets and make faces and deliberately ask addresses with showing the biceps. भाई साहब ये एड्रेस कहाँ पड़ता है, ये खार कहाँ पड़ता है. So they speak like that. But a Mumbaiite doesn't even notice him. A Mumbaiite goes about his life. He's got a lot of work to do. He's got a very packed schedule. He's got 3 hours up and 3 hours down journey actually, and he's got a lot of fast life to deal with. He doesn't have time to really show off. So you'll see that the men are really simply dressed in Mumbai. In Mumbai, another thing that you will notice is people speak to the point. Chalne gaye. That's how they speak. In Delhi, they say, "Bhai sahab, chalenge kya?" Yeah, maybe I think there's a lot of difference between the Delhi language. यार दिक्कत क्या है यार परेशानी क्या है यार, बताओ यार, दिक्कत क्या है यार. एंड अ मुंबईआइट स्पीक्स, लोचा है क्या, कुछ प्रॉब्लम है क्या बॉस, दिमाग का दही मत करा, मैं तेरे को बोल रहा हूँ, चल वोट ले. There are terms like bantai. What is bantai? Bantai is just a normal term to call anybody. Bantai, चलने का है क्या, आज की ट्रेन मिस हो रही है, चलने का बैठते इन मुंबई मीन्स टू सिट ओवर अ ड्रिंक. इन इफ़ यू से बैठते इन दिल्ली से बैठना है यार, जहाँ बैठना बैठ जाए यार, सारी जगह तो अपनी है यार, तो बैठ जाए यार. So this is the difference between a Mumbaiite and a Delhiite. In fact, a Delhiite coming to Mumbai, his behavior seems to be quite loud to Mumbaiites. So Mumbaiites normally, as I said, speak in short words, short sentences, quick words. If they want to tell somebody, "Are you mad?" they say, "Alibag se aaya kya?" So Alibag se aaya means Alibag is one of the mental hospitals, probably asylums. And when you want to tell somebody in short, have you come from Alibag, that actually means that, are you mad? Then there are many terms in many sentences in Mumbai, like locha means gafla. Then we have ज़्यादा समझ में आ रही क्या, that means are you acting smart with me? Then there is ईड़ा, समझा क्या मेरे को? मीन्स ईड़ा मीन्स पागल, तो मेरे को पागल समझता है क्या? देन देर आर टर्म्स लाइक चले वटले, चले कल्टी हो जाए, मीन्स गेट लॉस्ट फ्रॉम हियर, और पतली गली पकड़ ले, चल निकल. दैट मीन्स कैच द स्मॉलेस्ट street. That means the thinnest street, which actually means that escape immediately from whatever way you can, otherwise I'll kill you. Actually meaning I'll beat you or whatever. Then there are many things. If you've seen Rangila, Amir Khan has done quite a good job. Ram Jane, Shah Rukh Khan has done quite a good job. Amitabh has used Mumbai in a lot of movies when he's acted as a taxi driver in many movies, like a goon or something. Then you have basically the language. If you see, even Sanjay Dutt uses a Marathi tone of Hindi. मैं आज इस तरफ से नहीं आने वाली थी, लेकिन रामू काका ने बताया कि तुम्हें मेरा इंतज़ार कर रहे हो, तो मैं चला. माँ कसम, आज अगर किसी ने मुझ पर हाथ उठाया, जो भी मुझ पर पहला वार करेगा वो ज़िंदा नहीं बचेगा. सो व्हाट इज़ ज़िंदा नहीं बचेगा? दिस इज़ मुंबई. बिकॉज इन मुंबई वी हैव अ मराठी टोन, वी हैव अ मिक्स ऑफ अ लॉट ऑफ लैंग्वेजेस कमिंग टुगेदर. So that tone comes up. Mumbai is not straight. भाई क्या है ना, सुबह सुबह मैंने गया था ना उधर यार, दिमाग कट. So that action itself means that you've gone through some kind of trauma. वो पैसा वैसा देता नहीं है भाई, खाली पुकड़ में राग देता है. राग means what? राग means basically राग is not आलाप or सुर. Rag apna means giving something, some kind of nonsense. So that is what rag de raha hai means. Then there are languages like Sumdi. Sumdi means chupa rustam. Sumdi mein pomdi means hen in Marathi. Sumdi means, sum means silence, Sumdi means silent. In a very surreptitious way you're doing something, so that's Sumdi. Sumdi में शाना बनेला भाई, Sumdi में कोमड़ी है भाई, Sumdi में रह के बहुत काम करता भाई, पेड़ा बन के पेड़ा खा रेला है. You see मुन्ना भाई MBBS, Arshad Warsi is amazing at Mumbai. भाई धूप क्या, बाल की दुकान को टोचन. What is this? What is the meaning of बाल की दुकान को टोचन? बाल की दुकान means a person with long hair. So he's in short saying बाल की दुकान. Do क्या टोचन? टोचन means to prick somebody in actual literal language. But do क्या बाल की दुकान को टोचन means, shall I give him a good beating to this fellow who's got long hair? That is the meaning. This is the simplest way I can explain Mumbai to you. Then Poila. So when you say in Hindi, in Delhi Hindi, you'll say पहले तो मैं उसको प्यार से बोला. How do you say it in Mumbai? Mumbai you say पहले मैं उसको बहुत प्यार से बोला बॉस. पहले मैं उसको बहुत प्यार से बोला, लेकिन वो सुनता ही नहीं भाई. उसको मैं घोड़ा दिखाया भाई. वो घोड़ा दिखाने से काम होता है ना भाई. जब 2 मिनट में काम होता, 5 मिनट काय के लिए डालने का भाई. ना अभी लोकल रहता है ना भाई, काम पटाने का, गेम बजाने का रहता है, पूरा दिन काम करने का रहता है. अपनी को भी ट्रेन पकड़ने का रहता है ना भाई. व्हाट इज़ गेम बजाने का? गेम बजाने का मीन्स गेम बजाने का, इट्स नॉट गेम बजाने का. तो गेम बजाने का भाई, गेम बजाने का मीन्स टू kill somebody, to shoot somebody, or to shoot as a supari killer. What is a supari? Supari is basically betel nut, but in Mumbai supari means to become a hitman, to take a contract to kill somebody. So what is supari in that sense? Supari is basically a token taken to kill somebody. Supari killing is very famous in Mumbai. You must have seen it in movies also. भाई सुपारी ले लेके है इसकी, भाई इसने मेरी सुपारी लेके सुबह से मेरा जान खा रहा है यार. इसको किसने मेरी सुपारी दी है? नाउ इन मुंबई देयर आर मेनी एक्शन ऑल्सो विच आई शो यू. द एक्शन विच which before that, there is one thing which I wanted to share with you is I went to some other cities, and we Mumbaiites have a typical way of saying there's a term. I'll just tell you, there's a phrase, bas kya. So when I said this in another town, the person told me aur chahiye. Oh, then I got the disconnect. In Mumbai, when you say bus kya, and in Delhi you say bus kya, what is the difference? In Delhi, I don't know, but at least in literal Hindi, bus kya means kya hai, itna hi kya bus, और नहीं मिलेगा क्या, या और कुछ नहीं है क्या. But in Mumbai, when you say bus kya means what is this here? This was not expected from you. Yeah, come on here. You're trying to tell me that, oh come on. Example, now the situation, for example, you and your friend are having dinner somewhere, and when it comes to paying the bill, you bring out the money out of your wallet and you pay it, and your friend would say bus kya hai. That means that he didn't expect that you would be paying, or he's trying to probably say, boss, come on yaar, don't try to do this, come on yaar, let it be. You can say, yeah, let it be. Then before that, what were they coming to? The gestures. You must have seen Raza Khan doing those gestures. You've seen Govinda do that. Hi. उधर वो बोल रहा. What is this head nod? This head nod means warning somebody. In Mumbai, even a stare is a warn, because people don't have time to speak full sentences. They look like it. They're doing something, they're walking, but they are noticing you like this from the peripheral vision. This is the peripheral vision, and when they're looking at you, they're noticing you, and if they're angry with you, they would be like. You've seen many, there are many gestures like. क्या है ना boss? Now this means understand it yourself. I don't have to tell you every time. Then there are many. In Mumbai, people have this really bad habit of calling anybody like as if they are calling their Tommy or doggy. I went to a very sophisticated party the other day, and I was just having my food over the buffet, and this guy next to me started telling the person serving there, he started calling him like this, halwa le kya. I then realized that he had come from Virar or something. Why Mumbai is a very lengthy city. It's spread about 125 kilometers. People come from Vasai, Virar, Nala Sopara, and where not. And by the time they come to Mumbai, I mean the city from those suburbs, they would have met so many types of people. The language does get corrupt. So learn how to live in Mumbai. Learn the language of Mumbai. And it's very important to know that when you are in Mumbai, you should not get conned. The idea is to speak very, not very pure Hindi. We don't say, तुरंत चलिए ना, हमें तो जाना है ना, हम कहाँ से हैं, कितनी दिन से यहाँ पर है. हमें जल्दी जाना है, हमारी गाड़ी भी है, छोड़ दीजिए ना. You know, this language doesn't work. What works in over here is बॉस जल्दी चला ना भाई, आज की गाड़ी है कल पहुंचाएंगे क्या. और इफ़ यू डोंट वांट टू बी रूड, बॉस थोड़ा जल्दी, बॉस भाई लेट हो रहा है भाई. व्हाट इज भाई? यू डोंट से भाई. I've seen a lot of people who come from Delhi, you know, hailing a rickshaw and say, भैया, girls, भैया लोखंड वाला चलोगे? And we are like, oh, what? And Mumbaiites, Mumbai girls say, in fact, Mumbai boys to say bhai, 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 bhai लोखंड वाला, bhai लोखंड वाला. That is how guys say. Girls would be like, Lokhandwala, that's it. And the auto guy knows she's from Mumbai. The moment you start using तुरंत ले चलिए ना, लोखंडवाला जाना है. Oh, okay. So he gets ideas. This girl is going to Lokhandwala today. I hope I have covered quite a bit about Mumbai and its language. And there'll be more videos to come. Thank you very much.